Hi guys, so another question. So that is nothing but find the value of summation r is equal to 16 to 30. R plus 2 into r minus 3 is equal to, they have given you four options: 7,770, 7,780, 7,785 and 7,775. So this is one of the JEE main online question. So how to solve this question? So again, before solving this one, some basic idea which you should be known to understand this part, that is summation from 16 to 30, how we are going to deal with it. So suppose if they have given, just an example to understanding, suppose they have given if for us summation k is equal to 5 to 10 k. So what does that implies? When the value of k is from 5 to 10, simply this is, since it is simple, I can write it directly from 5, 6, 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. From 5 to 10 I need the summation. So this can also be I can also get this value by writing 1, 2, so on up to 10, then subtracting this one from 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1 to 10 I am going to get some of the whole terms. From that, if I subtract from 1 to 4 means this part 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that part is going to be get subtracted. So remaining is 5 plus 6, that only. So this summation is nothing but that itself. So we are going to get summation from 5, 6, 7 so on up to 10. So this is what the idea. Similarly here we are going to deal with that summation also. First let us simplify that r plus 2 into r minus 3. That is nothing but r square minus 3r plus 2r minus 6. It is nothing but r square minus r minus 6. So what happens, that summation r is equal to 16 to 30 r square minus r minus 6. And we already know the summation when k is equal to 1 to n for n square. What was the formula? N into n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Summation when k is equal to 1 to n, the summation formula was n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now with these formulas we are going to continue this one. So we need the summation from the r value from 16 to 30. So I can write summation r is equal to 1 to 30. So sum from 1 to 30 I am taking for r square minus r minus 6. From that summation, if I subtract from 1 to 15, from 1 to 30 I am taking, if I subtract from that summation for the sum of from 1 to 15 means what the summation we are going to get? We are going to get the summation from 16 to 30. So that is what the idea, basic idea which you need. If you crack this one, this is the important thing which you need to understand here to simplify this question. This is the important step. Then rest of the thing is purely a formula. So now here this becomes summation r square minus r minus 6. So this will be sum of r square. So we have the formula, that is nothing but r into r plus 1 2r plus 1 divided by 6 minus r means what? R into r plus 1 divided by 2 minus, taking this sum up to 30 times means it becomes 6r. Here the value of r is equal to 30 minus, again here the same formula, summation of r square, it is r into r plus 1 2r plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus r into r plus 1 divided by 2. For this one sum of r means minus 6r. Here the value of r is equal to 15. Now substitute the value of r in this question, in this equation. That becomes 30 plus 1, 30 into 2 60, 60 plus 1 divided by 6 minus 30 into 30 plus 1 by 2 minus 30 into 6 means it becomes 180. Similarly here, your value of r is 15. 15 plus 1, 15 into 2 is 30. 30 plus 1 divided by 6 minus here again 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 15 into 6, it is nothing but 90. Now simplify this one, that's all. By simplification you are going to get the value that itself is the answer. 30 into 31 by 2 minus 180 minus here 15 into 16 into 31 by 6 minus 15 into 16 divided by 2 minus 90. Simplify each thing, get the value of each thing, and you are going to get the final answer. So which is nothing but 7780, which is our second option. Simplify this one by yourself. By simplification you are going to get the value for each term, then the final answer is nothing but this one. So this is how we are going to solve this one. So the main concept which you need to understand is, if the summation is given in like this form, means you need to understand this concept. From the whole sum I am taking the remaining things which are not needed. If we remove those from the whole sum, means we are going to get the required sum which is given in the question. So this is regarding this question. Thank you.